how to open the one screen pinch zoom controller in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, open settings, scroll down, click on accessibility, click on interaction and dexterity, turn on assistant menu. Now turn on this button. After turning on this button, assistant menu will be turned on from your phone. Now go back. Now here you will see open the one screen pinch zoom controller. Now open any app. Now click on open the one screen pinch zoom controller. Now if you want to zoom in, then click on this button, and if you want to zoom out, then click on this button. This is how you can open the one screen pinch zoom controller in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.